Hi everyone, welcome to PR Academy. Yesterday we introduction and we discussed one problem also, continuity part 1. Today next continuation part. Yesterday one problem, last step is not completed. Now finish, that next problem continue. See here, last step is yesterday problem. Therefore LHS equal, that is e power a equal to b equal to e power 2 by 3. Now equating here, powers equating here, then a equal to 2 by 3 and b equal to how much here? E power 2 by 3. B equal to e power 2. So a comma b equal to 2 by 3 comma e power 2 by 3. Next problem see here. Second one, if the function f defined, the function f defined in minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 by f of x equal to 1 by x log of 1 by x log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 3x. 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 3x. Here when x not equal to 0. When x not equal to 0, it is k. When x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 is continuous. Then k equal to dash. So here first option is 3, second option 4 and third option is 5, fourth option is 6. See here, we know that continuous at x equal to a, at a, then limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Here limit x tends to a is what here at 0, f of x equal to, here x tends to 0 means it is x not equal to 0. X tends to 0 means here x not equal to 0. When x not equal to 0, what is the function here? 1 by x log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 3x. That is limit x tends to 0, 1 by x log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 3x. We know that log m by n is log m minus log n. That equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into log of 1 plus 3x minus log of 1 minus 3x. So that equal to, now multiply the 1 by x, log of 1 plus 3x by x. We know the log of 1 plus x by x. Here x coefficient is what here? 3. So here multiplying and dividing with 3. Minus limit x tends to 0, log of 1 minus 3x by, here what here? By x. Here x coefficient is what here? Minus 3. So multiplying and dividing with what here? Minus 3. We know that log of 1 plus x by x is how much here? 1. So it is also how much here? It is 1. So what is the value here? This is 3. 3 plus minus here 3 plus 3. So it is continuous. So x equal to 0, it is f of 0. F of 0 is what here? K. K equal to how much here? 6. So fourth option is correct. Next one, third one, f of x equal to, f of x is equal to sin of a plus 2x, sin of a plus 2 into x plus sin x divided by x, when x less than 0. Here it is b when x equal to 0. And next x plus 3x square whole power 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4 by 3. It is when x greater than 0. The function continues. Function continues at x equal 0. Continues at x equal 0. Find a plus 2b. Find a plus 2b. So first one is 0, second one is 4, and third one is 6, fourth one is 8. So what is given here? It is given. So it is continuous at x equal 0. X less than 0, x greater than 0, x equal 0. We know that x tends to 0 minus, it is nothing but x less than 0. X tends to 0 plus, it is nothing but x greater than 0. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0 is how much here? B. So first we will find out here LHL, that is limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 means x less than 0. What is the function here? Sin of a plus 2 into x plus sin x divided by x. So that equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. Here limit x tends to 0 minus. Separate right on here. Sin of a plus 2 into x by x. Next plus limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x. We know that sin kx by x is how much here? K. So in place of x coefficient is what here? In place of k, that is a plus 2. A plus 2 sin x by x is how much here? 1. So that is how much here? A plus 2. This is LHS. Next RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means when x is greater than 0. What is the function here? X plus 3x square whole power 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3. So here x power 1 by 3, x common here, x power 1 by 3 common totally. That is limit x tends to 0 plus x power 1 by 3 is common. So what is the remaining here? 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3. Here minus 1 divided by x power 4 by 3 is I am taking here x into x power 1 by 3. X into x power, now get 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3 is cancelled. So that equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. What is the remaining here? 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3. So 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3. We know that when x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n is what here? 1 plus nx. 1 plus nx. So that we can write here 3x by 3. Next minus 1 divided by x. Here 3 cancel here. So what is here? 1 cancel. X is cancel. Remaining is what here? 1. So RHS is 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS equal to f of 0. What is LHS here? LHS is a plus 3 and RHS is 1 and f of 0 is what here? Here f of 0 is b. So now a plus 3 1 equal to 1 means that is a is how much here? Minus 2 and b is how much here? 1. So therefore a plus 2b. A plus 2b we find out here? 2 minus 2. So a is how much here? Minus 2. 2b 2. So this value is how much here? 0. First. Fourth one. If a function f defined by f of x equal to 1 minus root 2 sin x 1 minus root 2 sin x divided by 5 minus 4x Here x not equal to pi by 4. Here it is k when x equal to pi by 4. Is continuous. Is continuous. At x equal to pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4. Then k equal to dash. Here first option 1 by 4. Second option 1. And third option is minus 1 by 4. Fourth option is 2. We know that x is continuous at pi by 4. We know that continuous means limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Here x tends to pi by 4. X tends to pi by 4 means it is x not equal to pi by 4. X not equal to pi by 4. Now limit x tends to pi by 4. Here x not equal to what is the function here? 1 minus root 2 sin x by 5 minus 4x. X equal pi by 4 substitute here. 1 by sin pi 1 by root 2 cancel 1 minus 1 0. The denominator is substitute. It is the form of 0 by 0. When it is 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. So derivative to the numerator, derivative to the denominator. So that equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. Here one constant is 0. Sin x derivative is cos x. That is minus root 2 cos x. Minus root 2 cos x divided by constant 0. X derivative is 1. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Now substitute here. Minus cancel. That is root 2 into cos pi by 4 is how much here? 1 by root 2 by 4. So this value is how much here? 1 by 4. We know that limit x tends to continuous. Continuous means here limit x tends to pi by 4. F of x equal to f of pi by 4. So x tends to pi by 4. What is the function f of x here? What is the value of this one? 1 by 4. F of pi by 4 is k. So k value is how much here? 1 by 4. First option correct. Next one. Fifth one. If A and B, here A greater than B, A greater than B are points of discontinuity. Discontinuity of the function f of x equal to f of x equal to 3 minus 2x square. 3 minus 2x square when x less than or equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3 when 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. 2x square minus 3x. It is 1 less than x less than 2. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. It is 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. And mod x. It is x greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3. Then 3a minus a, b is dash. Then 3a minus b is dash. First option. Here 3, second 7, and third one 5, and fourth one. So here discontinuity. Discontinuity. LHL not equal to RHL here. You can check it here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay na? Here A and B are points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to here a, b discontinuous. Suppose a, b are the values. Here greater value is a, smaller value is b. First we check it here at 1. At 1 we check it here. Limit x tends to 1 minus x less than 1. What is the function here? 2x plus 3 equal to limit x tends to 1 plus greater than 1 function is what here? 2x square minus 3x. So that implies x equal 1 substitute here 5 and 1 substitute here 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. It is not equal to 1. So at 1 it is discontinuity. Therefore at x equal 1 it is discontinuous. At x equal 1 discontinuous. Next you can check it here at 2. Limit x tends to 2 minus x less than 2. What is the function here? 2x square minus 3x. Minus 3x. So it is not equal. Next 2 minus 2x square minus 3x. X tends to 2 plus x greater than 2. What is the function here? 2x minus 3. 2 substitute here. 2 into 2 square is 4. Minus 3 to the 6. Here 2 to the 4 minus 3. So it is a 8 minus 6. So that is a 2 not equal to 1. So it is also at x equal to, it is discontinuous. So what is given here? A value is greater. Both values here, A 1 and 2 is there. Which is the greater here? 2 is greater. Therefore A equal 2 and B equal 1. Then we have to find out here 3A minus B is 3 into 2 minus 1. 6 minus 1. It is how much here? 5. So which is correct here? Third option is correct. Next one. Sixth one. If step x denotes the greatest integer not exceeding the number x, then f of x defined by f of x equal to step x if x less than 2. A step of x minus 1 is if x greater than or equal to continuous in the interval. So first option, close interval 1 comma 2 open, union 2 comma 3 open. Second one, close interval 1 open 3. Third one, open 1 comma 3. And fourth one, we know that limit x tends to a minus a plus step x is what here? A. Limit x tends to a minus step x is what here? A minus 1. We know that. See here, limit x tends to LHL. Here, limit x tends to 2 minus x less than 2. Here, x tends to 2 minus means it is x less than 2. X tends to 2 plus means it is x greater than 2. X tends to 2 minus x less than 2. What is the function here? Step x. We know that a minus. So what is the value here? A minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. It is 1. Next RHL. Limit x tends to 2 plus that is step x minus 1. 2 plus means here 2 minus 1 it is 1. and f of 2 is also 2 minus 1, it is 1. So it is continuous. It is continuous at what here? 2. We know that step x is continuous. Step x is continuous on the interval n comma n plus 1. Here 2 minus means below 1, 2 plus means just greater value. So it is continuous in the interval. Continuous in the interval. 2 below means 1, so it is including 1. 2 above means plus 1. It is open interval 3. Just 2 above. So which option is correct here? 1 comma. Second option. Next one. 7th one. If the function defined by f of x equal to here cos x less than or equal to 0 and 3x plus alpha, it is 0 less than x less than 2. Next beta x plus 3, it is 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4 and 11 x greater than 4, where alpha and beta real constants is continuous on R. Then alpha square plus beta square is that. So first option is 3, second option 9, third option 5, fourth one is 1. So what is given here? Continuous on R. We can check it 0 R, 2 R, 4. First we check it here. Continuous. First we check it at 1. Continuous at 1. So that implies limit extends to 1 minus. What is the function here? X less than x. We take here 0. At 0 we find out here. At 0. Here 0. At 0. X less than 0. What is the function here? Cos x. Limit extends to 0 plus. Greater than 0 is 3x plus alpha equal to f of 0. Cos 0 is 1. So it is alpha. F of 0 is how much here? Cos 0 is 1. That implies alpha value is 1. Next we can check a to 2 we check it here. So that is limit extends to 2 minus x less than 2. What is the function? 3x plus alpha. Limit extends to 2 plus x greater than 2. What is the function here? Beta x plus 3. 2 substitute here. 2 3 are 6 plus alpha equal to 2 beta plus 3. Here alpha value substitute here. Alpha is 1 substitute here. 7. 3 get this side equal to 2 beta. Then beta equal to 7 minus 3. 4 by 2 is 2. So what we have found out here? Therefore alpha square plus beta square, that is 1 plus 2 square is 4. This is how much here? 5. So third option. Next one. Eighth one. If f of x equal to x minus 2 by mod x minus 2, yeah, plus a when x less than 2. Next, a plus b when x equal to 2. Here, x minus 2 by mod x minus 2 plus b when x is greater than 2 is continuous. Continuous at x equal to 2. Then a plus b is dash. So first option is 2, second option 1, third option 0, and fourth option is minus 1. Right. So what is given here? Is continuous at x equal to. We know that continuous at x equal to means LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. So first we will find out here LHL. Limit extends to 2 minus. So what is the 2 minus this? What is the function here? That is x minus 2 by mod x minus 2 plus a. We know that modulus function mod x minus 2 equal to when x less than 2, this function is x less than 2 means it is negative, that is minus of x minus 2. Here x greater than or equal to 2. So x greater value means it is positive, that is how much here? X minus 2. So x tends to 2 minus, what is the here x minus 2 means this is minus of x minus 2 plus a. So this is how much here? A minus 1. This value is a minus 1. Then RHL, limit extends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x greater than 2. What is the function? X minus 2 by, here greater than 2 means it is x minus 2 plus b. So this value is how much here? B plus 1. So it is continuous at 2. Continuous at 2 means LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. So what is the LHL here? A minus 1, RHL is b plus 1, and f of 2 is what here? A plus b. F of 2 is what here? A plus b. So now equating these two, first and last, a cancel, then b equal to minus 1. Next equating second and last, so here b cancel, here a equal to how much here? 1. So therefore a plus b equal to, a plus b is, a is what here? Minus 1 minus 1, it is how much here? 0. So what is the answer here? 0. Next one. 9th one. The number of points. The number of points at which the function f of x equal to square root of 11 plus mod x minus 6 into under root of 2 plus mod x divided by 6 minus 2 into square root of 2 plus mod x is discontinuous is discontinuous in minus infinity to gamma infinity is dash. The first option is 1 and second option is 0, third is 2, fourth is 3. Here discontinuous, what is given here? Discontinuous given on minus infinity to gamma infinity. Here discontinuous means the function is undefined. The function is undefined. So root function is undefined, it is less than 0. It is less than 0, so root function, that is 11 plus mod x, 6 root 2 plus mod x divided by 6 minus 2 into under root 2 plus mod x less than 0 and denominator equal to 0. 6 minus 2 root 2 plus mod x equal to 0 comma and root function it is less than 0, that is 2 plus mod x is less than 0. Here 6 minus 2, so squaring on, here 6 equal to how much here? 6 equal to 2 into under root 2 plus mod x, the 2 3 are cancelled and here mod x is less than minus 2. It is not possible here. Here squaring on both sides, 9 equal to 2 plus mod x, then mod x equal to how much here? 7, then x equal to how much here? How many values here? 2 values. So how many points? Number of points are 2. So third option. Next one, if f of x equal to, here square root of 1 plus px minus square root of 1 minus px divided by x and minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0 and 2x plus 1 by x minus 2 when 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 continues on 2 into 12 minus 1 comma 1 then p equal to dash. So first option minus 1 by 2 and second one minus 1 by 4, third one 1 by 2, fourth one is 2. Here continues on minus 1 comma 1. Here we can check it here at 0. Okay na? Continues at 0. At 0 we are check here. Limit extends to LHS we are find out here. Limit extends to 0 minus x less than 0. What is the function here? Root of 1 plus px, root of 1 minus px by x. We know that when x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n equal to how much here? 1 plus nx. 1 plus nx. So that equal to limit x tends to 0. Here 1 plus x whole power 1 by n. N multiply here. So that is how much here? 1 plus p by 2x minus 1 minus p by 2x divided by x. Here 1 cancel. So that equal to limit x tends to 0. P by 2x plus p by 2x here. Px by x. It is how much here? P. Next RHL. RHL is limit x tends to 0 plus. What is the function here? 2x plus 1 by x minus 2. Here numerator degree same, denominator degree same. Then its coefficient is answer. It is how much here? 2. So continuous means here LHL equal to RHL. So therefore P value is how much here? 2. So 4. This is the continuity. Okay, na? Continuity completed. Tomorrow we'll discuss the differentiability. Okay, na? Track 2. Track 1 continuation say matrices.